you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, I totally apologize. I thought you were going forward.
I was. The guy in front of me wasn't gonna.
He wasn't. Look at it. You don't really have anything.
Yeah, I would like to exchange information.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'll just pull over here.
Yeah.
Or actually, let's go in there so we don't get hit again. Cause my kid's in the car, so.
Okay. Yeah, right here.
Yeah, CVS.
Yes.
Somebody just assholed me.
Are you fucking serious? Are you okay?
Oh yeah, we were at a red light and the person in front of me didn't move, but the guy behind me did. He's really nice. We're pulling over to a CVS. I don't think there's any damage. We're going to exchange information. And then,
do not say anything about the dash cam.
Oh no, I wasn't gonna. I'm hoping it's.
It's the light green on the dash cam.
Babe, I don't think it's on, honestly.
Just look at, there's a red light on the thing.
Just stay on the phone with me. He's right here, okay? Yeah, it's gonna need fixed, babe. You hear me?